What's up lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how we can format the filters pane in Power BI. So first of all, let's go to the filters pane. So this is the filters pane, you can see over here. I am going to open it. Yes, our filters pane is open now, and if you want to do formatting to this pane, then you just have to go to the format window under the visualization. Click onto this format window, and you can see over here there are more options are present for formatting. So for formatting the filters pane as well, there is options available over here, like the filters pane. You just have to click onto it and it will get open up. And so under this filters pane, you can see over here you can change the background color. So let's say I would like to change it to blue. So you can see over here the changes are taking place over here. After that you can do the transparency as well, like I'm going to do the transparency to 25%. You can see the transparency also taking place over here in case of color. After that you can also change the font color. Let's say I would like to make the font to yellow, then you can see the font color is also getting changed to yellow, but it's not visible, so I will change it back to black. After that you can also see that you can also increase the text size over here. If I am increasing over here, you can see over here that the filters name is getting bigger and bigger and the size is getting increased. After that you can also increase the header text size. The headers are these, like the filters on this page, this is a header. The filters on all pages, this is also an header. So if I increase this, you can see over there the header size is getting increased. After that you can also select a font family over here. Let's say I would like to select Calibri over here. So you can see the font is also getting changed. So you can see the font is also getting changed. So this is all about how to format filters pane in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.